of them are confused. Are they allowed to campaign for their bets? Interior Undersecretary Epimaco Dinsing even showed complaints against barangay officials on his social media platform. But election lawyers, including senatorial candidate Romulo Macalental, dispute this.
Hindi bawal kumampanya ang mga barangay officials. Wala. There is no such law. Ngayon, meron DILG na nagsasalita. May mentioning ko pangalan. Itong Undersecretary Densing. Sinasabi niya na yung mga barangay officials na kakampanya, madedemanda. Hindi ho totoo yun. Dapat hindi nila tinatakot yung mga barangay officials.
Election lawyers appeared before the Commission on Elections to ask the poll body to clear the air.
Ano ang batas na pinanggagalingan nung prohibition na yan? Pag walang batas, wala tayong magagawa. Hindi pwede mag-legislate ang COMELEC, lalo namang hindi pwedeng magawa ng batas ang mismong DILG.
In a message, COMELEC says it has yet to issue a statement as it is still looking into the petition.
Ang problema kasi, ang COMELEC hindi nagsasalita. I think it is their obligation to clarify. Kasi nagsasalita yung DILG, hindi naman sa sinasabi kong hindi sila magagaling, pero dito sa puntos na ito, mali ang DILG.
Trisha Tarada, CNN Philippines.